Okay, but this question here, we're not going to use the Z table. We're going to use the calculator to figure it out. It's just a much easier process. Just a couple things to take note that we have a mu of 185.3. We have sigma of 7.3, and we're talking about a sample. So whenever you see a sample, when we plug this stuff into our calculator, sigma is going to look a little different. We're going to use a sigma for a population. Sigma for a sample, which is going to be equal to sigma over the square root of the sample size. So I'm just going to dive into the calculator. I'm going to go to my distributions menu. We're talking about a normal distribution, so we're just going to do normal CDF. Click that. And then it says our lower bound. So this wants to know values between 185.3 and 185.5. 185.3. Upper bound is 185.5. Mu is 185.3. Sigma is going to be 7.3 divided by the square root of n, 241. You can plug it in just like that. We'll hit paste. And we get 0.1647. Okay. How are these different questions? Oh, okay. So I'm sorry. So since the first question doesn't mention a sample, that's a little misleading. So this one's the one that's going to require this sigma. The first one doesn't mention samples here. That's confusing because they mentioned samples up above. But since specific question here doesn't mention the word sample, we're going to do this exact same way, except we're not going to plug in that sigma divided by the square root of n. We're just going to plug in sigma. So this is going to be 0.0109. Yeah, it looks like you did it right. You maybe didn't round far enough, but these look correct. Okay. Pause this and pull the other question up.